For a long time, I believed I had to keep going. There was always another task to finish, another deadline waiting, another reason to stay busy. By the end of every day, I felt tired but never fulfilled. One weekend, I left everything behind for a while and sat quietly in nature. I watched butterflies drift from flower to flower, birds sing, tiny plants stretching towards the sunlight. Nothing seemed to be chasing anything, yet everything was growing. In that quiet moment, I realized that life isn't only about having more,